Hello guys, it's me, Delta One, here with AirSofttalk, bringing you a disassembly video. First thing you are going to do is make sure that your gun is decompressed. So do me a favor, take your gun, shoot it a couple times on semi-automatic, make sure your spring is decompressed. If you have done so already, then good for you, you're already one step ahead of us. Next thing you're going to do, make sure your battery's out of your gun. If you've already done the first step, then you've probably already taken it out. Next thing you're going to need is a screwdriver, a Phillips head. Also, that's pretty much one of the only tools you're really going to need. You will also need a smaller screwdriver. Also, note, there is a small butt cap that will look like this that goes over your selector switch, which has already been taken off. Now, we're going to simply take the gearbox out today. This is a gun that has been brought to me to repair because it simply does not work. So I'm going to disassemble it. This is a TM design. This is a Cyma Cm035. Why am I talking like that? Anyways, let's just disassemble it. First, I'm going to take off the top cover. Actually, no, I'm not. Yes, I am. So on this one, push simply. Top cover will come off. You will have this, which will shoot out, and a spring. Yeah. Be careful not to lose your spring. Yours will not look like this. This has a MOSFET chip. This is a custom upgraded gun. So don't think that you didn't get the right gun. Next step, you're going to push back on your slide thing right here and pull out. Take your slide off just to get that out of the way. Pull it off to the side. Okay. Then you're going to shut this carefully back again. Flip your gun over and take out the 4 set screws shown here. The first time you may do it, they may have some Loctite depending. It depends. It may not. This is my first time working on one of these in a while, so this one has been upgraded, so another technician has worked on this before me, so he may have done some personal touches, such as put Loctite on screws. And if you may be asking me why, sometimes these guns are shooting so hot out of the box, the vibrations from the gearbox will make the gun actually have the can't talk today, sorry guys. It'll make them vibrate out of place. So you're going to undo the stock now. And there'll be 2 screws which hold the hop up in place, which will also be the receiver. You're going to want to undo those. You may have to get a different size screwdriver. Mine's a little too big. And I'm going to have to get a different size screwdriver. And like mine just slipped in. Which I don't know where it went, which is not good. Sorry you can't really see what I'm doing right now, guys, but it's just the 2 screws that hold your hop up in place, which is basically what holds you do or do not have to do this. I do, just in case. It makes my life easier. You will have a screw, 2 screws, and a little spring. Don't lose these. So now that you have your upper receiver off, you have the screw right here and your pistol grip. Take these off. Now that the pistol grip is off, it'll just slide out like that. Now you have the gearbox out. And now it's time to disassemble the gearbox. Take off this, which is just your selector. Yours will not have this. If you do have this, I would like to know where you bought it. Because if they come stock like this, that's pretty impressive. Oh my. This gearbox is locked all the way back, so I'm going to have to decompress it somehow. So I'm going to have to end this video and make a two-parter for you guys. So I'm going to end this video right now, guys, and make a second one. So thanks for watching.